Agent Gold is a new YouTube research and growth platform that's the hottest amongst YouTubers because of two main products. You can A/B test and get the best titles and thumbnails for all of your videos in one go. Agent Gold calls this the bulk mode. You can receive a weekly video idea and package fully personalized and researched for your channel. Each package includes outlier videos that are performing well in your niche, a brand new idea inspired by the outliers, title suggestions, thumbnail options, hooks, and a script outline for the idea. Agent Gold gives you everything you need to give your next video the best chance to be an outlier video. First, go into agentgold.ai and then try for free, and then link your channel. This allows Agent Gold to A/B test all your videos, titles, and thumbnails, as well as analyze and understand your channel and style to give you the best video ideas, titles, thumbnails, hooks, and scripts. Go to the bulk mode tab under the Improve My Videos tab. Agent Gold preloads better titles, descriptions, and timestamps for every video you ever created. Now, the most popular product on Agent Gold is bulk mode for A/B tests. Once you're in bulk mode for A/B tests, Agent Gold creates A/B tests pre-filled with other title options for every single video of yours. All you need to do is edit or activate each A/B test that's already created for you. Agent Gold makes sure every video of yours has the best possible title and thumbnail combination. YouTube's A/B test feature only allows you to test a couple of thumbnails, but Agent Gold lets you also test titles. You can run A/B tests on as many title and thumbnail combinations as you want. Then go into weekly digests. Agent Gold can deliver you a great video idea backed by deep research and outlier videos in your niche. Are you tired of publishing videos that don't get views? Imagine this, a steady stream of outlier video concepts delivered straight to your inbox. We've got you covered. Every week you'll receive 3 outlier videos in your niche, plus 1 brand new outliers-inspired idea. Think of us as your personal pre-production team. We handle the research, we sift through endless data, and we also help you with the entire video package that includes the best titles, thumbnail options, hooks, and script outlines. You can get access to all these game-changing YouTube growth tools at agentgold.ai.